So, want to code a website directly from your phone? I know, it sounds kind of like a trick question, but yes, we are absolutely going to do exactly this. And no, we aren't relying on some clunky, frustrating workaround. We're using a super streamlined environment called Termux. Our source provides a really precise blueprint for pulling this off, proving that your mobile device actually has this vast, completely untapped capability just waiting to be unlocked with the right commands.
To make this whole transformation happen, we have to lay down a solid foundation. Now, our source highlights a very specific duo of tools for this exact job: Nano and Python. You see, to write code on a phone, you need an editor that operates flawlessly within a terminal interface. That's exactly what Nano is, a super lightweight, totally distraction-free code editor. But writing the code is really only half the battle, right? You actually need to be able to see and test the website you're building. That's where Python comes in. By installing Python, we literally give our phone the ability to run a local server right on the device itself. So your phone isn't just writing the website, it's practically hosting it for you so you can preview everything in real time.
Right. Let's speed things up a bit and jump into the actual terminal commands you need to get these vital tools onto your phone. Don't worry about the jargon. Our source breaks this down perfectly. First, you just type pkg update-y followed by pkg install nano python-y. So, pkg just tells the system we're dealing with packages. But the real time saver here? That's the -y at the end. That literally just means yes to everything. It lets the whole installation run continuously, without constantly pausing to ask you for permission for every single little component.
Now, any good developer knows you absolutely have to keep things organized before you start typing out code. In the command line, we use mkdir, which stands for make directory, to instantly create our project folder. So you type mkdir my_website. Then we need to actually go inside that folder to start working, which is where cd or change directory comes in. You just type cd my_website and it instantly teleports you right inside. 2 simple little lines of text and boom, your workspace is organized and ready for action.
This is the fun part. To kick things off, typing nano index.html opens up our editor and gives us a completely blank canvas. Our source notes, we're going to paste in a specifically crafted template right here. And guys, this isn't just some basic, ugly web page. This code contains super clean, responsive HTML and CSS. It features this sleek, dark theme and a perfectly centered card design. It is literally an ideal landing page perfect foundation.
But what makes this code really special isn't just that cool, dark theme, it's the underlying architecture. The source explicitly points out the use of a responsive tag. This is absolutely crucial. It guarantees that the website is going to dynamically adjust and look fantastic regardless of the screen size it's being viewed on. We're talking another phone, a tablet, or a massive desktop monitor, it's going to look flawless. Plus, we achieve all of this by having the basic CSS added directly into the file itself. That keeps the whole thing self-contained, incredibly lightweight, and highly efficient.
So, let's take a step back and look at what we've actually unlocked today. Through just a few streamlined commands, you updated a Linux environment, installed a professional editor and a local server, organized your directory, and laid down responsive code for a beautiful, dark-themed landing page. The barrier to entry for web development has literally been reduced to the device in the palm of your hand. It's wild. Now that you have all this untapped potential sitting right there in your pocket, what are you going to build first?